Rochester's Mayo Clinic continues to lead the way in the fight against coronavirus. In fact, Mayo is the national site for what's become known as the Convalescent Plasma Expanded Access Program, which takes plasma from people who've recovered from COVID-19 and then uses it to treat people still fighting it. And KIMT News 3's Raquel Hellman is finding out the program is getting a lot of support from the Jewish community. She joins us live to explain that connection. Raquel.
Yeah, George, I am here at the Chabad Lubavitch of southern Minnesota, which is a Jewish nonprofit organization. Now, I really want to point out this sign to you. So it actually says, Chabad salutes our healthcare workers. Thank you for caring for all of us. And this is not the only way the Jewish community is showing support for the healthcare industry during this pandemic.
Nobody's going to be saved or helped by the plasma staying stuck in me. So if I can share my antibodies with anyone else, I would.
That's Chaim Lebovitz, a well-known member of the Orthodox Jewish community in New York City, which has been very hard hit by the coronavirus. He says that in New York, they already have nearly 20,000 potential plasma donors, and the blood banks are at maximum capacity. So that's why he came to Mayo Clinic here in Rochester to donate after he recovered from the virus. Now, members of the local Jewish community tell me this truly is an example of how we're all in this together.
It's able to help one person regardless of the background and regardless of the political affiliation, regardless of the religious affiliation. We're still able to help one another.
When people understand that they have the ability to save another person's life, it usually, it's a call to action that makes almost anyone move.
Yeah, and Lebovitz has actually created a network of rabbis, religious organizations, and healthcare professionals across the country, and he's really organized some big convalescent plasma drives. His ultimate goal in this situation, is to get 45,000 plasma donors nationwide. Live in Rochester, Raquel Hellman, KIMT News 3.
Great stuff, Raquel. Now, so far, more than 10,000 coronavirus patients have received the plasma transfusions. A large number of donations have come from members of the Orthodox Jewish community, as Raquel pointed out, in New York City. On that note, let's take a live look from above Austin tonight. A rainy morning turned into a